video, we are going to fix Huawei Royal's high ping network issues and packet losses. Yes. So first you need to go to advanced network settings. Yes, click it, and here you can see network reset is there. Click the network reset and reset now. Yes, click it, and after check if still same remains, then you need to go to control panel, and here you can see network and internet setting is there. Click the network and internet settings and go to network and sharing center, and click change adapter settings. Yes, and in this you need to go to Ethernet or Wi-Fi. If you are using Ethernet, you go to Ethernet. If you are using with Wi-Fi mode, then go with Wi-Fi, and go to properties, and here internet protocol version IPv4 is there. Click it, and go to use the following DNS server address and enter the following address. Enable it and enter the following address 88888844 and click OK. And after that you need to check if still remains same, then you need to go to settings, and here you can see network and internet setting is there. Click it and check a VPN is enabled. If it's enabled means you need to disable it. Yes, and after disabling, go time and language settings and make sure the date and time should be in perfect time, and the date and time should be correct, and the region should be incorrect. And after that you need to go to device manager. In this device manager you go with network adapters, and you need to update the drivers. Yes, so go and update the drivers. Yes, after updating the drivers, go back, and you need to go to command prompt and click run as administrative. Yes, in this you need to type the following ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Yes, and click enter, and once successfully flushed, after type ipconfig slash release. Yes, and click enter, and after you need to type ipconfig space slash renew. Yes, after that you need to click enter, and after all complete, click exit. Yes, right exit, and once restart your PC, the problem is fixed.